Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction and what Coinbase thinks about Terra Classic. Even though Coinbase are yet to list this coin, even though Coinbase, I don't think Coinbase will list this coin this year, but at least they still have their own views about Terra Classic. Right now, Coinbase is the second biggest crypto exchange, and for Coinbase to come out to talk about some particular coins, definitely it means well. If what they are going to say about these coins are actually right, then it will benefit this coin, because Coinbase and then Binance, they can influence the price of coins. But for Terra Classic, Coinbase believe that between now even till the end of next year, that Terra Classic have the possibility of reaching 1000%. Between now till next year. That means by next year ending, they're expecting the price of Terra Classic to be trading between 0.0001 or 2. Okay, that means they're expecting Luna to delete just 1 0 in the next 1.5 years or almost 2 years time. But the question is, why are they not listening to Terra Classic? So, and for me, not that they are not going to list this coin and they are refusing to do this, but it's taking time. But I don't know. But what I know is that Luna at the point they are right now, they need the support from Coinbase so that it will help to push Terra Classic more further. Okay. Now, I also believe by the time they do one or two things or get one or two things right, they will attract other crypto exchanges. Now, there are so many crypto exchanges. We have over 600 crypto exchanges globally in the whole world, over 600. This year alone, hundreds of crypto exchanges have really registered. Okay, just this year, 2023. And you can see so many of them are doing well. So many crypto exchanges are even doing well right now. And a lot of them have listed so many coins. But to be sincere with you, many of them are even yet to list Terra Classic. Okay, this is one of the opportunity I know. If Luna can get listed by these exchanges, then definitely it will help this coin in the long run. Okay, and the only exchange I will tell you that right now is a top exchange that Terra Classic is not listed on this exchange is Coinbase and Robinhood. So, but if apart from these two, most top exchanges, Terra Classic is already listed on these exchanges. So I wish to get to see Luna listed on new exchanges. Okay, we have many new exchanges that Terra Classic is yet to be listed on these exchanges. If they can get listed, it will boost Terra Classic LLC. Secondly, this month of July, Terra Classic is really doing well. Not just Terra Classic, though. Last 3 days we also saw that Bitcoin had been struggling between 29,000 price and $30,000 price. So I was expecting Bitcoin to hit $35,000 this month, before the end of the month. That was from the beginning of this month, not now. But you can see that BTC fell to reach $32,000 this month, and I believe that even before the month ends, I don't think Bitcoin can hit $35,000. But the expectation, this is why you see it also affected so many coins, including Terra Classic. But our expectation from the beginning of this month, when Binance were able to burn 2.6 billion Terra Classic, we are expecting that if Bitcoin hits towards $35,000 this month of July, that Terra Classic will also rise. Terra Classic will massively increase in price. But we don't know what is really going on. But right now, I still believe that Terra Classic LLC still need to rise. But most coins depend on Bitcoin. Most coins depend on the price of BTC. So Bitcoin as of today is trading at $29,000, not even 30, even since the past 2 days, the past 48 hours. And I believe that maybe from next month, August, I think that's when we should be expecting something change, a great thing to change with Terra Classic. Because this month, I don't think BTC can hit 35,000. But if Bitcoin hit that level, believe me, Terra Classic is going to rise. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.